Hi, hello, and welcome to a much requested video. Today we're going to be doing a clean with me. You've probably read the title of this video and know why I'm still saying it. Anyways, I'm going to be moving out of this apartment in 1 month and about 16, 15, 14 days. We're going to be doing like deep cleaning and just making sure all of this is nice and clean. That's really just the aim of today. Let's just get into it, shall we? Let's do cardboard, shall we? Let's go throw all of that away, shall we?
Music. Ready. 1, 2, 3, dance.
I think we've arrived at the actual like cleaner products point. Sorry, that Sharpie. I know I say this in every video, but don't mix cleaners. I still see people doing this on TikTok. Don't do it. Don't do it. I will be so upset with you. Time for a little break, huh? I have some chocolate. I'm exhausted. I really don't know how far we're gonna get with the actual declutter part, but we're gonna see. Is that an email? I'm sweating and I don't like sweating. I just hope you're having a fun time procrastinating with me, or you know, getting pumped to also be productive with me. Also my camera's gonna die, so there's also that. You know, we're just having a great time. Also, by the way, the playlist I'm listening to, which is my magnum opus of playlists, it will be linked down below because I'm very proud of it. It's a bunch of music from like October 2019, October 2020, just October vibes. It's really good, even if I do say so myself. So it will be linked down below.
The more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you.
Oh God. Hello, it's editing Sabrina here. Looking a little messed up because I was out in the rain today. But I just wanted to say, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it lived up to all of your expectations. I'm sorry I didn't get to the decluttering part. I just am really busy with school right now. But I promise if you want to, we can do a whole separate declutter video if you're into that. I don't know, it's up to you guys. But yeah, I hope you still enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe because all of those things will help me out on my YouTube journey. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!